everyone, welcome to our technical podcast. Today we are going to discuss an exciting deep learning topic in CNN, that is self-driving cars.
Yes, so self-driving cars are becoming one of the biggest innovations in artificial intelligence. So Bindu, what made you interesting in this topic?
Seriously, I was very fascinated like how the car can drive without a human driver. So now let's understand what is actually CNN. Can you explain what is CNN?
CNN actually stands for Convolution Neural Network. It is a deep learning algorithm which is mainly used for image recognition and computer vision tasks. So let's go deeper into this topic. So Bindu, can you explain what CNN is used for images? What especially it is used?
Because CN can automatically detect features from image, right? Like edges, shapes, colors, and objects without manual programming. It doesn't require manual programming. So that is how it detects the images, and it is very helpful to us. And now let us understand how does it work somewhat like a human vision system.
Exactly. It helps computers process visual information similar to how humans or recognize objects and colors, etc.
So something similar to human.
Now I have a question for you. What exactly is a self-driving car?
Yeah. Self-driving car is an autonomous vehicle that can drive automatically using AI technologies like cameras, sensors, radars, GPS, deep learning models that like CNN.
So, does the car completely depend on cameras?
No, not necessarily, because cameras are mainly used for vision, while radars help measure distance and select surrounding objects also. Now let us understand the role of CNN in self-driving cars. So how does CNN help the cars while driving?
The camera will continuously capture the images on road. So CNN will process these images and identify objects such as traffic lights, pedestrians, lane markings, vehicles, road signs, etc.
Yeah. So what happens after detecting these objects?
So the AI will analyze the situation and decides whether to stop, turn, accelerate or apply the brakes. Let us understand this topic through a real life example. So Bindu, can you give a real life example for this process?
Sure, Ashwini. Imagine a pedestrian suddenly crossing the road. The camera captures the image and the CNN recognizes the person.
Then the car will immediately stops or slow down?
Exactly, that is the amazing part. This happens within milliseconds.
We have reached a conclusion where we have discussed how CNN helps in self-driving cars and how it helps us to understand the surroundings using image processing.
From detecting traffic signals to avoiding obstacles, CNN acts like the visual brain of the autonomous vehicle. And the biggest example is Tesla.
Thank you everyone for listening to our podcast.
See you next time with our another interesting AI topic.